Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add another Google account to your Onn Google TV streaming box. So the first step is to navigate to the main settings menu. And to do that, you want to select settings and then all settings. From here, select accounts and sign in. Then you want to select add an account. So from here, you can add your account in two ways. The first is by choosing to scan the QR code to add the Google account. And the second is by choosing to sign in on the TV instead. So if you choose to sign in on the TV, you'll then be taken to a menu where you'll be asked you'll be asked to enter in your account details, such as the Google account as well as the password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on that phone, then you'll also need to confirm your identity. However, if you choose to scan with the QR code instead, then just grab the phone that has that specific account that you want to add onto the TV, and then you want to open the QR code scanner. So this is the Android phone that has my specific Google account that I want to add, and I've opened the QR code scanner. So then I just want to scan that QR code and start adding the account. So follow that link. And then if it doesn't work the first time, ensure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then once you've done that, you should see this choose your account. So choose the Google account that you currently have on that phone and continue as Mischief, because that's the name of my account. Confirm your identity on your phone, and then you should see it's signing you in on the TV. So just wait patiently for yourself to be signed in. And then it says you are now signed in. So from here, again, it will reload and it will ask you to accept the terms of service. So if you want to read them, you can select and read them. However, I'll just choose accept. And so then you just have to go through the setup process that you did when you first set up the TV with your original Google account. And then go through the process. And once you've done all of that, you'll then be redirected to the home screen, and you'll notice that you've now successfully added a Google account onto your Onn streaming box. And you'll also see that the profile icon has changed from what it was originally. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.